For dumbbell snatch, you're gonna have your feet shoulder width stance, one hand to the side, dumbbell between your legs. You're gonna start by bending your knees a little, push your hips back, keeping your back straight, just till this point, a couple of inches below your knees. You're gonna stand up, pull that dumbbell up as if you're zipping your jacket, and then you finish at the top. When you do it quickly, this is how it looks like. Knee bend, hips back, stand tall, and then take it up. Bring it down slowly, hips back, and up. Some of the common mistakes that I notice people make starts with pulling early. So when you're in this position, before you even stand up, sometimes you might start pulling. So what I would recommend is to wait till you stand completely tall and then start pulling. The second thing I want you to avoid is doing a squat instead of doing a hinge. The third and the most important thing I want you to keep in mind is to never arch your back like this when you're going down. Instead, keep your back straight while going down and then finish.